The FWA extension identifies a FinalBurn alpha recording or a FileWrangler archive. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you determine if you're replaying an arcade speedrun or extracting a legacy file bundle. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized FWA file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. In the emulation scene, FWA is used by FinalBurn Alpha, FBA, to store movie input logs. These aren't video files, they record every button press so the emulator can replay your game perfectly. In file management, FWA is the native compression format for FileWrangler, a classic utility used to bundle and split large groups of files. FinalBurn FWA files follow a binary input logging protocol, functioning as a chronological script of controller commands synced to a specific ROM. FileWrangler FWA files use a proprietary archive protocol, incorporating internal headers and CRC checksums to compress and protect data during extraction. Windows registers the FWA file as an opener for FileWrangler developed by CursorArts. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows can play these files, but modifying structure or quality requires editing software. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the FWA file and select Open With. If FileWrangler is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. The reason for the error is almost certainly the FWA file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, identifying the origin. FinalBurn recordings are found in Movies or Snaps folders and are usually paired with a specific arcade ROM.zip. FileWrangler archives are found in General, Documents, or Backup folders. You can verify the FinalBurn version by checking the file size. They are usually very small, a few KB, because they only store text-based button inputs, not actual video. Next, loading and system preparation. To watch an arcade recording, launch FinalBurn, load the correct game, and select Play Movie. For archives, you must use the original FileWrangler software to extract the contents. Note: an FWA recording from an older version of FinalBurn may desync the game plays back incorrectly if opened in a newer version of the emulator. Finally, resolving sync and archive errors. If your FinalBurn movie desyncs, you must find the exact emulator version and ROM set used during the original recording. If a FileWrangler archive fails to open, use the Test Integrity tool within FileWrangler. These files are prone to errors if they were part of a split archive and one piece is missing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.